the future hold for Echolab? Well, of course, in today's climate, it's rather a difficult question to answer. We've done our very best to try and understand where the future opportunities are in the market, and we have discovered that there are some very good opportunities in the market for small production devices. So we've actually put a great deal of our engineering time and effort into developing some very innovative new small switches that are very cost sensitive and also address future market needs like 3 gig input, as well as the ability to put in PowerPoint from computers and of course traditional broadcasting type signals. As far as the economy is concerned, naturally it's the buzzword that everybody's talking about. What is the future of our economy? I'm pretty optimistic. Obviously, at this moment, as we speak right now, the economy is still very weak around the world, but there are signs of recovery. There are many people that are much more intelligent than I am in these things that can give you perhaps objective views. Most of them will be wrong, but I certainly think that we'll see a recovery. Hopefully this year, towards the end of this year, and we're not actually seeing in certain markets, even though the economy is currently poor, we're not seeing too much of a decline. We are certainly in certain sections, like the broadcast industry, we're certainly seeing a decline, but in the presentation markets and houses of worship and those areas, we're actually seeing pretty much a flat sales curve there, so that's good. IBC is actually a very important event for Echolab. We have a very strong international and European market, and we feel that IBC, like an NAB show, is really the best opportunity for us in Europe to really show off what's new and be able to demonstrate to a pretty broad audience. Even though, there's lots of discussion about the cost of major trade shows and the cost of attending, and of course we've seen a number of people over the years pull in and out of shows, often large companies who say, well, the budget's too expensive. But in the case of an IBC or an NAB, we feel it's just important for us to be there because we don't have the horsepower to get out there in the field and meet all of the possible prospects that we would see in one go at a major trade show like an IBC.